Hello guys, welcome back to Noor's kitchen. In today's video, we are going to make crispy potatoes. I am sure kids and everyone will love this. So without any delay, let's start. Firstly, I have boiled 4 potatoes. Now I am grinding it. You can grate it as well. Here we do not want lumps in it. Now add 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder and salt according to your taste in 2 cups of rice flour. I have prepared the rice flour at home only. You can either mix it with hands or with a spoon. Add 2 teaspoons of corn flour into it, and now we have to prepare a smooth dough. When the dough is ready, keep it aside for 20 minutes to settle down. Now grease your hands and take a portion of the dough and roll it like this. Make a roll and then cut it with knife this way. Now we will take a fork and press it on one side. This is the easiest and delicious recipe for ever happening cravings, and this is something that you will love making it because it's just effortless. Now they are all ready to fry. Once the oil is heated, put one by one into it and fry it until it turns light brown. This is how it should be. Now put it out one by one, and our crispy potatoes are ready to be served. You can also sprinkle some spices over it and enjoy with some sauces. Thank you for being consistent. I'll be grateful if you subscribe to my channel Noor's Kitchen.